The Planacy Excel add-in is an easy-to-use toolbar integrated in Excel. Start by selecting your desired data. In this example, we will create a basic profit and loss statement for budget 2022. Then add any additional information from the Planacy data model. We will need account groups in our P&L and also add a country dimension. Even large datasets are quickly downloaded to Excel. Use standard Excel functionality to analyze your data. In this case, we use a pivot table to create our P&L, and we can choose to display it per country, as we added the country dimension in our data selection. Your selection is saved in the workbook, which enables easy refresh of the data. Using the Planacy Excel add-in enables you to make ad hoc analysis and even to build entire report packages. And of course, there is a refresh all function so that multiple datasets from Planacy can be refreshed with one click. And why not integrate your reporting in PowerPoint to create a fully automated reporting package? With the Planacy Excel add-in, it's then easy to update your presentation with the latest data from Planacy.